Hello, I'm Chris. Here's a quick tip that might save you from failing your driving test. Imagine you're on your test. You're following directions from the sat-nav, and so far, everything's going well.
Cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
The sat-nav is telling you to follow the road ahead at the roundabout, second exit. You choose the left-hand lane, but then notice that the markings showed that the left-hand lane is for turning left, and not for going ahead. So you're in the wrong lane. Would you know what to do if this happened to you? You can either signal right and wait for someone to let you change lanes, follow the road ahead in this lane, or check the mirrors, signal left and turn left, first exit. You don't want to get in the way of anyone or follow the road ahead in the wrong lane. So hopefully you said to turn left, check the mirrors, signal left and turn left. It's not ideal, but at least you haven't done anything potentially dangerous, and you won't fail your driving test. You do the same even if you weren't on the driving test. The examiner or sat-nav will redirect you back en route. If you want to know what the secret to passing the driving test is, then watch this video next. Just a quick driving tip today, but I hope it was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe as it really helps us make more videos. In the meantime, good luck if you have a driving test coming up soon, and bye for now.